Hello Dnation and welcome to the Diecast Motorcycle Week series. In today's episode we are going to be taking a look at my top 6 Moto GP 118 scale diecast replicas of various motorcycle brands and showcase them in this Diecast Bike Week episode. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, I really love the Bike Week that takes place annually all over the world, where biker communities gather together as one to showcase their beautiful rides and also to enjoy and appreciate these beautiful pieces of art on two wheels. So as a diecast motorcycle collector, I came up with a concept to kickstart a Bike Week series for my 118 scale diecast motorcycles, where I dedicate an episode to one motorcycle brand and feature my top 6 favorite motorcycle replicas from my collection. However, in today's Bike Week episode, I'm featuring 6 assorted Moto GP motorcycle replicas from globally renowned motorcycle brands. So let's go ahead and take a look at today's assorted Moto GP lineup and get this Diecast Bike Week episode started. And a quick disclaimer before we kickstart. While I'm not sponsored by any of the brands featured in today's video, and I'm doing this solely out of passion for my hobby and my love for motorcycles. And on the same note, none of today's featured MotoGP motorcycles or brands are ranked in any particular order based on looks or performance, but are my personal favorites for my collection. But if you choose to, feel free to rank them and let me know what you think in the comments below. So let's begin today's MotoGP diecast lineup with the 2018 Honda Repsol Marc Marquez number 93 diecast replica manufactured by Maisto. Marc Marquez Lenta is a Spanish Grand Prix motorcycle road racer and one of the most successful motorcycle racers of all time, with 8 Grand Prix World Championships to his name, 6 of which are in the Premier MotoGP class. Marquez races for Honda's factory team since his MotoGP debut in 2013. He is nicknamed the Ant of Carrera, worldwide meaning the Thunder of Carrera. He is one of the 4 riders to have won World Championship titles in 3 different categories. So let's go ahead and take a look at this signature amazing diecast motorcycle. Next up is the 2018 Yamaha Factory Racing Valentino Rossi number 46 diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. Valentino Rossi is an Italian professional motorcycle road racer and a multiple MotoGP world champion. Rossi is widely considered one of the greatest motorcycle racers of all time, with 9 Grand Prix world championships to his name, 7 of which are in the Premier class. Rossi is also the only road racer to have competed in 400 or more Grand Prix races. He has ridden with number 46 his entire career, including the years when he was defending his title. Rossi is currently in talks with the Petronas Yamaha racing team for the 2021 season. Now let's take a look at this amazing signature number 46 MotoGP replica. What we're looking at now is the 2018 Ducati Corsa Andrea Dovizioso number 4 diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. Andrea Dovizioso is a professional motorcycle racer who competes in the MotoGP World Championship for the factory Ducati Corsa team. He won the 125cc World Championship in 2004. He also finished 3rd in the MotoGP class in 2011 and a 3-time runner-up in the Premier class after finishing 2nd to Marc Marquez in 2017, 2018 and 2019. So let's go ahead and take a look at the signature number 4 Team Ducati MotoGP replica. Coming in next is the 2018 Honda Repsol Dani Pedrosa number 26 diecast replica motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. Daniel Pedrosa Ramal is a Spanish former Grand Prix motorcycle racer who retired from competition at the end of the 2018 season. He was a 125cc world champion in 2003 and is the youngest world champion in 250cc Grand Prix in the 2004 season. In 2019, the former Curvadri Sac, a corner at the Jerez racetrack in Spain, was renamed Pedrosa Corner after him. Pedrosa spent 13 seasons riding for Repsol Honda until the end of 2018. Now let's go ahead and take a look at his signature number 26 Team Honda MotoGP Diecast replica. What we're looking at now is the 2014 Yamaha Factory Racing Jorge Lorenzo number 99 diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. Jorge Lorenzo Guerrero is a Spanish Grand Prix motorcycle racer who announced his retirement from road racing competition in late 2019. He won the 2006 and 2007 250cc World Championship and the 2010, 2012 and 2015 MotoGP World Championship. In the Premier class, he rode exclusively for factory teams, riding for Yamaha from 2008 to 2016, for Ducati from 2017 to 2018, and for Repsol Honda in 2019. His titles aside, Lorenzo finished as championship runner-up in the Premier class on 3 occasions. So let's go ahead and take a look at his awesome signature number 99 Yamaha MotoGP replica. And finally, we have the 2015 Ducati Corsa Andrealannone number 29 diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Maisto. Andrealannone is an Italian professional motorcycle racer who currently competes in the World Championship at MotoGP level for the Aprilia racing team. For the 2015 season, Lannone replaced Cal Crutchlow at Ducati Corsa and partnered with Andrea Dovizioso. Iannone achieved his first MotoGP podium on his Ducati debut, finishing 3rd in Qatar. At Austin, he finished in 5th place behind Jorge Lorenzo and also recorded the first fastest lap of his MotoGP career. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing number 29 Ducati diecast MotoGP replica. And with that out of the way, now let's place these MotoGP diecast beauties on the Dnation dyno and check out their wheel spin and their functionality. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features and specifications regarding these amazing diecast motorcycle replicas in the description below. And stay tuned for some fun facts on MotoGP coming up. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these amazing Moto GP Diecast Motorcycle replicas. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Grand Prix motorcycles are purpose-built racing machines that are unavailable to purchase by the general public and unable to be ridden legally on public roads. This contrasts with the various production-based categories of racing such as the Superbike World Championship and the Isle of Man TT races that feature modified versions of road-going motorcycles available to the public. The current top division is known as MotoGP since 2002 when the 4-stroke era began. Prior to that, the largest class was 500cc, both of which form a historical continuum as the official World Championship, although all classes have official statuses. The championship is currently divided into 4 classes: Moto Grand Prix, Moto 2, Moto 3 and Moto E. The first 3 classes use 4-stroke engines, while the Moto E, which is the new in 2019, uses electric motorcycles. The 2019 MotoGP season comprises of 19 Grand Prix, with 12 held in Europe, 3 in Asia, 2 in the Americas and 1 each in Australia and the Middle East. The most successful rider in the Grand Prix history is Giacomo Agostini with 15 titles and 122 race wins. In the Top Flight series, Agostini holds the title record with 8, followed by active riders like Valentino Rossi with 7 and Marc Marquez with 6. As of 2019, Rossi holds the record for the most Top Flight race wins with 89. And for further information on MotoGP, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these 118 scale MotoGP Diecast Motorcycle replicas, I drop the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these amazing Diecast Motorcycle replicas are your favorite. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, and please do check out the rest of the 118 scale Diecast Motorcycle episodes and the Diecast Bike Week episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing MotoGP Diecast Motorcycle Week episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.